What's up, Sensu? Welcome back to the E36 project. In today's video we're going to be changing the motor mounts, and we're also going to be reinforcing the front subframe. The next few videos are going to be reinforcements and stuff like that, focusing on the chassis to get it ready.
That's the Bill of Rights.
Yeah, the Bill of Rights. Don't it say something about going after what makes you happy?
No, that's the pursuit of happiness. But what's your point?
My point is I'm pursuing something and nobody looks too happy about it.
But we're just looking out for your interests.
I appreciate that, but maybe you're looking out for your interests just a little bit more.
When words fail.
Porque a las 4...
que no le ha gustado y lo que no ha tenido en cuenta.
No, esta boca, no esta boca.
Got some new M3 bushings. These are a little bit stiffer than stock. And then also what we did was some reinforcements here. Did doubling plates front and back. So not great welds, but they'll get the job done. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Comment if you have any questions. I know this is probably kind of a montage, but hopefully you got the gist of like what I'm doing. Next video I'll try to get a little more lighting and stuff all straightened out. So stay tuned. Alright, so if you either skipped ahead or made it this far in the video, I'm going to talk a little bit about what I did with the transmission mounts. And the clips I'm about to show you, I'm actually installing Condor Speed Shop bushings. And they were a little stiffer than I like, so I went with poly bushings and I sold the other ones. Really happy with the poly ones. Still like a lot of vibrations and stuff, but I have a pretty high tolerance for that. So this isn't much of a how-to or anything, but here's the clips.